Okay, so let's get started on craftpreneurs, especially beginning sewers. So what we're going to do is we're going to spin our bobbin. So you have just a vacant clear bobbin. Um, in case you can't find a match for your thread, so you can spin your own bobbin. There's no need to settle. And so let's get started. You want to take your thread. It's already on the spool, the thread spool, and you want to put it through the hole on your bobbin. I'm put it through the hole. And so so you want to get it started. Which can be a little tricky, but you can get it done. So let's get it here. There we go. Get it going. And at the top of your machine, you have this tension. And on mine, it tells you which direction to take the thread, and you want to slide it up under there and across. I leave this up so it won't interfere with the wind or keep the thread from easily coming off the spool, the thread spool for the bigger thread. Hold on here, and on top we have where you sit. This level moves where you put the bobbin, so it should be out. You want to put the bobbin on top, take it down. You want to slide it back over to this level. Mine's is it looked like it's rubber, but it's the stabilizer, so you slide that over. And then, so you have your tension, it goes around here, you pull it over the bobbin, sit on the bobbin spool and lock it in place. And then you want to use your foot to press on the presser foot, and you're good to go.